I'm a fire starter, hot damn. That's why everywhere that I go, they try to put me out. Bitch, I'm a fire starter, hot damn. But this fire's out of control, and bitch, you can put me out. I'm a fire starter. Yeah, I'm a problem. I'm a fire starter. Yeah, I'm a problem. Sticks and stones and bricks and bones. This to me don't and all of my bones. Speak if I'm wishing, wishing me cold. The coke and the beat man take me posing. Reaching my own shit, ready to hand me down. You ain't original enough when it's standing out. You just stand around and if a guy can think of careers, they panning out, pulling your panties out. Why no more than waddling up like a duck with the seeds in the hand out. Open the family out. Yeah, you was open the family out. But the harder they fan, bigger my flame gets. I mean, a motherfucker, making my name with. Shame this, blame this. Oh, we see head, take your phone, make a sleep for me, easy and painless. While I stand over your monument like a crane lift. With 1,000 gallons on the pallet to pay with. But even though I give you many colors to paint with, with the copy machine with my fucking painting. Fuck away, head back the changes. I'll be back in the booth with my fucking flame lit. I'm a fire starter, better go find water. You don't know me, son, like I don't know my father.
You just gotta relax, homie. Yeah.
Breathe in and breathe.
Breathe out. This is fire with me.
Breathe in. Breathe out.
It ain't going out.
Breathe in.
I was born to be
Breathe
shit.
out. Breathe in.
You just gotta realize.
Breathe out. All my life I've been a fire starter. I don't know what it is about my soul that's got me hot and bothered. Somebody find me water. Somebody find me water. Cause I'm harder than a preacher's daughter. Harder than dry leaves and office. Yeah, I'm a fire starter. I'm a fire starter.